Hold on, let me get this shit popping, shit dropping. Alrighty. Alrighty, so we're holding this 15-minute BPR right now. See what'll happen from there. If it inverses, fucked. If it starts bouncing, we will look for longs, because I'm still long biased. I want Asia highs into this 4-hour BPR. I really want like this range kind of thing taken all the way up here. To me, we bounced off this 4-hour OB pretty well. This wick already did the thing I wanted it to. Came to tap daily. Oh wait, no, it was this one right here. We tapped it again today. So I am honestly bullish, but we'll see. We'll see. But how y'all doing today? Yes, sir. Same here. Same here. Took a couple losses on the TPT account already. One of the longs, it was like right. Whatever the 15-minute inverse was, where was it? Yeah, I longed up here and it started going, but I think I got stopped out, then it ran. So unfortunate there, but yeah, another day, another dollar, baby. I feel like testing one more set of longs here. For real though. Yeah, I'm trying one more set of longs here with stops at these recent lows. It's not a great setup, but we're gonna take it. Fills 554. Stops 534. About 20-point stops. Yeah. Not looking too hot, to be honest. Probably getting stopped out here. Yep, there it goes. Dumb, 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 dumb. Alright. So we probably will inverse this 15-minute BPR then. We were just holding it really strong. And same with the 5-minute. The 5-minute started showing an actual rejection of it. And that was why I wanted to stab longs, is because we closed green on this. But yeah, I think price does want to go lower. So we'll see how it reacts to this 15-minute BPR. If it inverses, then it goes down. ES is definitely heavier. That's for sure. Damn, coin is dumping, huh? Oh, and Tesla, huh? Jesus. ETH is down 8% in the last 24 hours. Oh, that's actually crazy. I got a ES pulled up on Tradeify right now. See what'll happen at these lows, because NQ or ES is what, like 3 or 5 points away, and Q is still a good almost 100 points away. So it looks like there will likely be SMT at these lows. Yeah, most definitely, yeah. Did those go red? We did dump quite a bit. No, they're still green, 2%, but yeah, they were at 60. Crazy. All right. Yes is about to take them. Alrighty. ES is within a point. Alright, there we go. Lows are taken. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna start looking at the 1-minute chart. just with this SMT right now. Might even pull a Swamster and hit a 15-seconder. Nice, good shit, dude. Good shit. Alright, looks like we're just dumping. NQ might actually go and take the lows too. We'll see though. Yeah, NQ is fucking dumping. Alright, still SMT, but it's just crazy we came up in inverses hourly just to dump all the way back down. Interesting ass day, that's for sure. Interesting ass day. What a dump, actually. Crazy. Wow. Challenge account is not loving itself today. That's crazy. We're back to even on the day. We were at 500 at some point. I just noticed that. But for me, it's like where would I trim? You know what I mean? Like where's a good spot to trim? Yeah, technically we were up good, but I wanted these highs at least. And we got an hourly inverse. Like everything showed me we were gonna keep going, so I'm still holding. But crazy 4-hour print though. Crazy 4-hour print. Ooh, I'm gonna take a stab at ES longs. "15-second inverse." Pulled the Swami special. London lows is weird. Doesn't make sense to trim at a low of a session. Because the low already got swept, so the liquidity didn't matter. But I mean, you know, you did get lucky there for sure. I should have probably trimmed one, but it's alright. $630, nice. Yeah, my fill is 628, by the way, for anyone that possibly wants to set a limit there. I don't know if we'll run back though. Something tells me we just cruise up and quick little scalp this. I'm gonna take one trim. I'm gonna move stops a little closer. Trimmed out of 1. Stops are only like a point now. Yeah. No, when I go to a different screen, I don't have a second monitor, so I go to like my other screen to do my Tradeify fills and whatever. So it freezes for a second every time I go out of there. Not gonna lie, we're going break even on this. This shit is dumpy. We're a half point in profit, or a quarter point in profit. That's where my stops are at. Let's see if we can scalp up this PM session though. Bang bang with the shitty bang bang. Bing bang ba bang bang. You guys red or green today though? I wanna know. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm red. I am a red friend right now. Hey, green is green, dude. Fucking green is green. Let's go. Damn, that's tough. It happens. And so red, that is super tough. Super tough. I'm more red than I want to be on my futures accounts right now. I think I'm down like $800 per. That happens. Well, this ES trade my boost is back. NQ is honestly a little cleaner, but with ES being the one that actually swept lows, I'd rather take that. He did. He sent some SPX calls. Nice. It's like if it reverses here, I honestly could see this running far. So I might move this, sell all the way to high day. And just see what happens. See if we can ride it out. Oop. Nice, dude. Nice. 10 evals. Are you? What do you trade? Or what firm? Bulenox or Apex? Or just like a assortment of everything. Future up 100. Good shit. Let's go, bro. Nice, dude. Nice. On Bulenox, do you like the EO day or EO day end of day accounts, or do you like the trailing? I know the end of days are obviously a little better, but for the price, honestly, the scaling kind of makes sense. But just curious. Yeah, that's actually insane. You're doing like MNQ on just a smaller account. Then we're pumping. All right, so we're up 10 points or so on ES. Pretty good. I'm still gonna trim one more actually right here. I'm gonna trim one more at 44644. Yeah, it's wild trading futures on Bulenox or Weeble, but if it works, it works, bro. Who cares? Let's see how the 5-minute looks now. So we just tap the 5-minute gap. I think we should just run through though. Put 5-minute over here as well. 5-minute just inversed on NQ. Well, not yet, obviously, but tapping into this higher 5-minute, which is nice. We'll see how it reacts there. Since we inverse this, BPR doesn't matter anymore. Bless me. Nice. Swami's catching some gains. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Should get our trim here soon. Thank you, Stapo. I'm just gonna check 15-minute. Honestly, kind of tap the OB, but not really. We didn't inverse either, unfortunately, but it still looks strong, especially on like the 1-minute. All right, trim incoming. Just a little impulse, please. Just a little impulse, please. But we're like a quarter tick away. Just do it. It feels like it's gonna run so hard. That's what dump so hard? No. This thing's gonna run, bro. Look at that hourly. Beautiful bounce off the CE. Like, beautiful bounce. Okay, there's one more trim. I'm gonna update orders real quick. Alright, so that's what we're looking like now. Stops a point, almost 2 points in profit. One more trim up here at 655. And then last trim at high day. And let's see, because this is the one I actually wanted to see, was 50% of this week finally being tapped. Oh, yep. Beautiful. And we rejected almost right off the 50% of that hourly wick. I like it. I like it. Send it, Bill. Plus, if we close up here, it's a 5-minute change in the state as well with low swept. This looks clean as shit. It's one of the first ES trades that's worked out for me. Shout out ES, bro. Shout out ES. Nice. Swami's at 100% on his calls. Let's go, baby. $200% for the boy. Let's go, bro. Future green. Of course, brother. So we do these for, baby. I guess I can move this closer so I don't have to like lean all the way over there to like look. I just got you guys open on my iPad like right here. I really just need to get a second monitor. That'd probably save me so much time and head movement. But I got this ultra wide monitor. Like it's literally, I can't. This probably isn't gonna be proportionate, but it's this wide. It's like as big as my whole leg. Anyways, so I've never really had the need for it because I'll just open 2-3 windows. Yeah, it's, dude, I could probably pull out a measuring tape. It's big. It's, yeah, like my desk is probably 72, 60, something like that, and it's well over half my desk. And yeah, anyways. No, yeah, my desk is probably 6 foot. It actually doesn't have a bend. I don't really like the curve monitors as much, honestly. I feel like they hurt my eyes. Like they make me like, I don't know. My eyes have to adjust a little too much, I feel like, to them. So I just got the big boy. We got a 5-minute change in this state, technically a couple times, so should be good. I could see us. Let's see, like 1 minute. Yep. A very lowest that we'll drop back down to before we bounce back up is here, in my opinion. But I think we just go. But yeah, honestly, I don't use my iPad enough, so I'm like, well, at least I get some use out of it this way. I have it marked as anywhere between 643 and 640. Basically 641, but it's just a 1 minute FEG that it could pull back to. But I don't even think it will. I think we'll come up to 655 first. Then we'll see where we go from there. But I think we just honestly cruise. The way this moves printing seems like straight up basically. So I think those those calls are back up to 20%. And I do need to check on HIMS. Let's see how HIMS is going. Basically new high a day, which is nice. Where I really want HIMS to come up to 55. I feel like that would be the move for HIMS, but we'll see. For sure, brother. Yeah, but with us inversing this 5 minute plus this 5 minute plus a couple change in the states, I think we just run because this isn't an OB at all. Like there's still technically this BPR, but we ran right through it first time, so basically invalidated. It doesn't really matter much anymore. So, and we also got 5 minute change of states on NQ plus inverses as well. I think we just kind of run. It might be slow grind for a little bit, but it is PM session now, so should have a little bit more volatility. Wouldn't be surprised if we just run. Gummy, which one's you in chat, by the way? That shit's funny as fuck. Oh yeah. Dude, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. 912. I'm serious, bro. I think we run up. So my plan with the Q calls, by the way, yep, sell one of these Asia highs, 792, and then the next one, 913. But honestly, if we rip and we just rip, bro, I'm holding the all-time high. I don't give a shit. What is it? 20, 25, 025, baby. Nice, dude. Yeah, Hims is up, right? I think we're up like 20% or so, and it's still cruising. I think we see a good impulse. Hopefully before end of day, because I think swinging that's just asking for zero. But just because it's weekly. But I mean, you never know. It could be one of those days where, dude, Hims just moves. It just moves, though, bro. You know, like it'll go do 20, 30%. Maybe not that much in a day, but yeah, 5, 10% a day, like all the time. Well, that's because everything is a piece of shit. What do you guys think about this non-copyright music? What do you think? You guys can hear it, right? Let me just make sure. You guys can hear it, right? Let me just make sure. Oh, you can't even fucking hear it this whole time? I've just been vibing to non-copyright music by myself. God damn it. What about now? Yeah. Oh, you can hear it? It's just quiet. All right. Yeah, elevator music, basically. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. It's non-copyright though, so we can actually listen to it on stream. Yeah, it could be, yeah. But also then that means we're in a premium, which is great for shorts. But overall, I think we're bullish, bro. Like I don't think this 4 hour gap inverse was enough for me to actually be bearish, like long-term bearish. Like this was not, because really technically that's the only PD array that we've really like violated. There's another 4 hour gap here, but to me the biggest thing of being bullish is this daily gap, especially how we just wicked into it again, didn't take this one. Like in my humble onion, I think we're good. I'm gonna find us a banger off this lo-fi non-copyright Spotify album. All right, we're 5 points away. At this point, we're almost 30 points on ES, which is about 60 points on NQ. If we were to taken, we're have to taken. We're like right at the 50% of the daily range as well, though, so no wonder we're slowing down a little bit. But I think we just push. But everyone grab your dumbbells, get up on your feet, bro. Let's get moving. Let's get lifting. Let's get our bodies right, boy. Let's do it. Cool, calm, collected. Getting a pump while we pump. Is Hims going? Hey, let's go. I need to see how contracts are looking. 25%. I'm holding. Fuck it. Mama ain't raised no bitch. Pump it all, long it all, pump it all. Skibbity da, skibbity dee. I deported with the 100 G's in the back with the backpack. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, we were down. We were down like 10% for a second there. I think we're up what there 20% now. We were up 60. Thing is there was no place to trim. Like none of it made sense. Yeah, bro said London lows, but I wanted at least London highs before I really considered a trim. But I think we still get there. I think we still get there, bro. We just erased a 130 point dump already, or 130 points of this 200 fucking point dump. But yeah, no, you're good. Yeah, it happens all the time. All the time. I was considering adding, but then I remembered I have no more buying power. I do have $5 of buying power though. You know what I mean? We're up 32% on hymns now. It's a little impulse, dude. 4 points. That's all the man needs. Yep. In the money. Are we in the money technically on? Yep, sure are. I bought them like right here too, which is pretty fire. Like $2 or $3 out of the money. I was gonna do the same thing I did yesterday on stream and double take this with ES and NQ, but I realize it doesn't do anything different. I mean, I guess technically I make more money, but I don't really care. If we can squeeze a good 500-600 out of this trade, I'll be a happy man. I definitely could. Yeah. But we'll see. We still got an hour and a half till close. We could get the craziest power hour pump of our lives, bro. We could. Who knows? Who knows? Yeah. All I gotta say is shit is moving right now. Hims is going to for 35%. Has an OB at 597. That's not really an OB though. See, only liquidity it swept was like intraday from between New York and or AM and lunch. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, dude. Yeah, subscribe and turn on the notifications. It'll give you a thing every time I go live. But yeah, I've been trying to go live pretty much every single day. This morning I slept in, I'll be honest. But I normally go live about 10 minutes before market open for at least an hour and a half, 2 hours in the market. But today I did PM and I kind of like the PM streams. It's kind of chill. So we'll see. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Yeah, keep holding if you're long. I think that we do continue, but just slowing down for a second here. Price should pick back up though, because it's 230. All right, 40% on Himmers. That's crazy actually. I gotta see. I have some on my personal account actually. I should check on. Somehow still red. Nice. This one's a banger, bro. Shout out the non-copyright, dude. This goes hard. All right, I'm just gonna get ready for the trim ski when we get it. Brum, brum. So yeah, sorry, I didn't if I sounded like a dick, but this is an OB because we came and we swept actual liquidity. You know what I mean? Like that's an OB because of the hourly sweeps. We came and swept all of this, blah blah blah. Even came down and tapped the 50% in this week, so that's an OB. Technically, this is also an OB, but it's at the kind of severe highs and lows of the day. At least the ones that I look at. Technically, yeah, sure, that's kind of an order block, but it's nothing that I would pay attention to really. Because I mean, look how we've been reacting. Yeah, we slowed down. So yeah, there's orders here, but price is still cruising. It hasn't rejected it. It's probably gonna cruise right through it, you know. So it's of low importance type of thing. So, anyways, there's our education for the day. Yes, sir. We give some motivation, baby. All right, we're getting close. Within 3 points of this next trim, I'm probably gonna move stops up to where let's see the 15 looks. Probably just a 15-minute low here. So 36.50 once we get this trim. And then depending on how we keep going, I may actually just trim one more here and go for London High, see if we actually do get all the way up there. before close. But we'll see. We'll see. Either way, though, challenge account sitting pretty again. Finally, looked scary there for a second. We were literally completely even on the day. Now we're back up 300, which is sick. But if ES keeps going, I think HIMS will keep going too, with just strength in the market because this thing's starting to fly. 55. I need a an alert here. Yeah. Got an alert at 55. We're getting real close. Within 2 points now, baby. Just give us a little impulse. Just a little impulse, a little sunlight. You didn't know I was blonde, bro? Yeah. Been blonde since birth, brother. Yo, what up, Swampster? Are you still in the SPX calls? Still ripping? They're probably up like 250, 300% at this point, huh? Let's go. Let's go. About to take a little trimmy here. 25 points about so far on ES. Yeah, yep, so is ES. They're basically correlating hand in hand right now, which is good news. So just the tip. Oh, there she goes. All right, I'm gonna adjust these orders and then I'll be right back. Dude, we're cruising. We're cruising. Boom. Oh wait, that's a buy, not a sell. Oh yeah, we're cruising. So I'm actually gonna change this runner at highs to just one out of the two, and then I'm gonna go. I know it's streamed right now, but there you go. That's the adjusted order now. So I got one at Asia highs actually. I may adjust to London if needed, but cruising, dude, cruising so far. Cons in the money, 360, bro. Hold those until close. At least one of them till close. I have a weird feeling, bro, that it just keeps fucking going. I don't know. Alex and everyone was saying bearish is what the 4 hour was looking like, and I didn't like completely disagree. But just for me, bro, like the way we held this OB, the way that we've tapped a few other things, the only real bearish sign for me was this 4 hour inverse. That was the only real bearish sign for me. Everything else, like this initial dump was kind of wild, but I don't know. Then ES took 4 hour lows as well too, and it came and it stopped the 50% of this wick. So yeah, I liked it. I liked how it looked. Good SMT. I think honestly, genuinely, I think we start heading back towards all-time highs. Might not be a smooth ride, but might be at the same time too. Because if you look at the hourly, there is a decent amount of LR, especially right here, which is why I'm so horny about this Asia highs, is because this is all LR. I know it's overnight, so of course you're not going to get as much movement, but yeah. Anyways, little bit of thesis. I'm horny, baby. Let's see how the oh, Hims is up 55%. Let's go, baby. Did we hit? Oh, almost. We're almost there. We're almost there. Dude, this thing's cruising. %70 now. Let's go. Account's back over 2,000, which is nice. Very, very nice. How's XOM looking? I don't look at it that often, to be honest. Oh, wait, that's SOM. So it's swept highs, but then it's still showing strength on hourly, which is good news. Do we sweep these highs also? Close. Close, baby. It'll be there next. That's like 116. And then weekly. I want my first stream to be a 119. Was where I've been wanting it. It's almost 120. It's really where I want, but we'll consider depending on how we kind of slow down at this area. 116.95. Yep, that's what I'm saying. We're cruising well. I will say that. Up 30 plus points on ES, which is nice. Yep. NQ's slightly stronger, but NQ also has ES also has deeper lows, so I like it. Hey, bro, 5K is beautiful though. 5K is beautiful, brother. That's a great day. It's a phenomenal day, dude. Like I know you do pretty solid at your job, but I mean, I don't think really any job pays you 5K a day. Yeah, don't do it, dude. Honestly, close the charts. I mean, chill for the stream for sure, bro, but yeah, you made good money today, bro, and congrats. That's fucking awesome. It's really cool, like actually to see, everything starting to pay off and whatnot. Yeah, like legit, bro. So I will say this though, Shade, because you're above 10K on the account, you do have a decision to go live right now, and you get 90-10 profit splits instead of 80-20, and it's EO day trailing instead of trailing DD. So nice. Let's go. Still feel like it's gonna dump towards. I don't think so. I don't think so. 664. Oh, you're talking up here. Yeah, technically, right. So I think it's actually 5K. It might be 4,500, but anything above that buffer you can withdraw. Which you'll get your 80-20 split. So let's say you made 6 grand, right? 80-20, you'd be like 4,800. Math might not be math in there, but I will say this. So if you go live, you get 90-10 plus EO day drawdown. So it basically just turns it into like a 10K live account. With I think a 5K buffer. It's been a minute. I can't remember exactly how that would work on your account, but then any payout going forward is 90-10. But it's also tough. Hard to say not to just take the full payout, pay yourself no matter what. And then if you get back to this position, you do it next time type of thing. But yeah. I would just pay yourself though, dude. For sure. Pay yourself. Just don't trade tonight. Put your request in at midnight. It'll be approved by morning. Withdraw it. Your account should reset by about market open. And then bang, you get your money usually the same day within 24 hours. At least, I mean, yeah, that's how it's been in my experience. I know a couple people have waited a few days, but you could. Not great risk to reward, but you could. This is the thing right now. You don't really want to long a premium range, and right now we're in the premium range. So if anything, you'd want to wait for a bigger pullback, but I don't know if we'll get that. Because technically we just inverse this impulse, but it is what it is, dude. Take my shirt off. Some goofy ass. All right, hold up. I'll be right back. Let's go. Let me just pee. We're still. Of course we are. I'm home. Hold on, let's see. I missed things. I know I did. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. All right, we're cruising though. We're fucking cruising. We're up almost 40 points, 35, 40 points, something like that. In times like this, stay on the 15-minute or the 5-minute. Promise you. It's like this pullback. Look what it did. Schmack. Oh, excuse me. Smack this 5-minute and then ripped. About to get a 5-minute change in this state, I think. How about 15? Yeah, 15, same shit. And basically the same on ES here. It's looking good though. HIMS is still up 67%. I want 55. I don't really want to sell before 55, but we are close. We are hella close. Yeah. Yeah, yep. All right. Power hour here in 3 minutes. We will see. We will see. I mean, we've got a lot of movement out of today. If you look at the range, what is it? A freaking 273-point range already. Insane. Insane. But with that, that means there's more volatility in the market than normal, which I don't know why. There wasn't news, right? Oh, there was. GDP? No, dude. Good for you. You do you. Dude, take profit when you can, always. Always. All right, not this song. It just reminded me of some old Call of Duty videos, that last song. I don't know if you guys could hear that one, but there was oh, I'm remembering his name. I'm remembering his name. Back when I was like 15, probably 14, 15, so like 10 something years ago. Um, Nero Cinema, that's what it was. Nero Cinema. No giveaways, but we do giveaways at every milestone in the Discord. So join the Discord, Discord for sure. And yeah, every like 1,000 members or so, we'll give away people some stuff, some evals. Some last one was AirPod Pros. You know, we might just do cash giveaways. I don't know, whatever. We'll figure something out. But for sure, we keep it popping in the Discord. And I feel like our chat's going like 30 fucking messages a minute on average. All right. My trading view is going to pause for a second because I'm looking something up. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, Power Hour has officially started. Let's see what we get. Please just be a face ripper. Please just be a face ripper. We'll go to 5 minutes and see if we get a change in the state in these first 5 minutes. If we do, we should see continuation. Interesting. I'm watching the stream on my iPad and I didn't realize how kind of blurry, especially like my P&L thing is right there. I didn't realize how blurry it is. I gotta look into that. See what I can do. Figure that thing out. How's my hymns doing? Kind of slowing down. So close though. So close, baby. Holding, holding, holding. um, you could. I'm bullish personally. Entry model's kind of funky right here though. Technically, you just got a 5 minute inverse, and we've been chilling around here. Are you looking at ES or NQ though? Because NQ kind of same thing. They're about at the same spot, be about the same look. Again, I'm bullish, but it's just bad. Or I mean, dude, I entered 30 points ago. You know what I mean? So I hate telling you to hop in now, but I do think this keeps going. So worth a little stab, maybe like a micro or two. You know what I mean? Keep risk really small, $80, $150, somewhere in there, and should be cruising. Sorry, zoned out talking to the anal yeasts. Who's a good NQ? Who's a good girl? Yeah, yeah. Ooh, look at the boo. Look at the do. Look at the woo. Look at the way. Look at the hey. Look at the what? Hey. All right. Super uneventful start to Power Hour, though. I'll say that. Hey, 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 yo. Yeah, where the fuck is price gonna go? Bro, pump this shit though. Just do something. I mean, look at these 1 minute candles. These last 9 1 minute candles. Done a whole lot of nothing, bro. And this is, I don't know, yeah. I'm sure it'll move. I'm not stressing or worrying. I'm just like, dude, just do something. Get a move on, cowgirl. 78% on hymns. Did hymns hit then? Did it hit its 55? Oh my god. We're gonna get 100% at 55 then, huh? Of course, the one I size small on. Of course, the one I size small on. But we take the double up all day. We take that double up all day. Yo, hymns. Keep it pumping, baby. Just give me that 55 and let's get out of here. All right, we're getting pretty close to selling out of hymns here. Starting to get a little bit of motion on NQ as well. Let's go. Let's go. Bing. Nice. All out of himmers. All right, back to the geezer. The geezer himself, Mr. ES. Yeah, for real, a snooze fest, bro. What happened to the power hour I know and love? A snooze fest. Let's see how the hymns calls and the personal are doing, because those are for next week. They're up 10%. That's it. Hey, we take those. We take those. We take those, baby. All right, I need some movement, bro. I need some movement. This shit is boring. This is like the last like 30 minutes of time right there, bro. That's crazy. Appreciate y'all sticking around for how boring price is right now. I mean, we could tell stories, bro. I could tell stories. Last night I had a lady sleepover. Great times, great times. That's actually where I was when I was like, I'll be right back. Just walking her out. But yeah, she's a funny one. Every time I did it to myself, but I gave her a back massage first time she stayed over or whatnot. And I told her I like giving them, but now every time she asks me or every time she sleeps over, she asks me for one. And sometimes, bro, I'm just a lazy, tired asshole, and I don't really want to do all that. So, get sucked into it though, because you got to treat them right always. So, anyways, that was my story from last night. We made some shish kebabs with some chicken, onions, mushrooms, squash. It's pretty fucking good. Pretty fucking good. Then yeah, just went on a long walk, came back, watched a movie, did the thing, and now I'm trading. I slept in like a motherfucker today though, bro, for sure. Slept into like 10 my time. I know, right? I know. But I don't think it's a girl I'm a date, so it's, that one's fine type of thing. Alrighty. Yeah, I know, dude. We just need some movement in general. Hey, at least the stream didn't get shut down today, though, from copyrights. That's one thing I'll say. We learning, churning, and burning, baby. Yeah, that's a win. All right, how's the port looking? Decent. Ba boom, 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 boom. Oh yeah. I guess I can show the challenge account, give you guys an update of that, because fucking nothing else to look at here. Let's see. Where's my Weeble? Maybe not. Maybe not. I don't know. It's not even popping up as an option to switch to. It's alright though. Yeah, we'll see. What is it? 1 minute break of structure? Not even really a 1 minute break of structure, really. It's just funny. We inverse this gap, then reverse basically right back up to its highs. We just been chilling right here. We'll see. It's a trap. Wow. Alright. For a day that's moved so much, this is a very uneventful power hour. Boom, 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 boom. I might throw like a little $500 ski or something towards some SPX calls, maybe. Perhaps. Yes. All right, let's see. Just pulling it up over here. I'll wait for about 1:30. All right, 3:30. Nom, nom, nom. Tap this 15-minute gap and I'm entering. All right, 130 is probably, or fuck, 330 is probably when I'll enter these. But if we get this tap here, I might just enter a little prematurely. You know what I mean? But we'll see, dude. Yeah. It hasn't tapped yet. There you go. All right, I'm in. I'm in 6605 calls. What did I get filled for? All right, I'm in some SPX calls as well. We'll see how this goes. Up 20%. All right, I'm gonna say 6605s. Yeah, 6605s on those. They're only up 10% now. feel like we could get some good motion here though. Boom, boom, boom. Come on, show some speed, bro. Like, what the fuck is this? If this 5 minute closes red and we don't see an instant reaction at 3:30 candle, I'm out of these SPX calls. And I also may just take these ES longs with where they're at. We got up to almost 40 points, 35 points of ES. Not a bad trade at all. Not a bad trade at all. But I would love to see a pump here. Would absolutely love it, mate. All right. Cotton's still up 10%. $130 candle is basically right here, so let's see. Speaking of 30-minute candles, let's see how the 30-minute looks. Interesting, yeah. Interesting. Hopefully it just expands. Let's go. 30%, 35, 40, 45, 50, 56. Hey, thank you, brother. Appreciate you. 70%. Hey, brother. Hope you had a good day. I really do hope you killed it today, bro. And it's just a good ass day. Go kill it at work and do your thing, dude. Do your thing. Holy shit, 90% on these. Yep, 100% now, boy. Let's go. Hey, let's go, Staffo. I see you doing God's work in there, bro. It really was, dude. It was a nuts day. Like a lot of movement. A fucking lot of movement. A lot of movement. Hey, dude, it's alright. It's alright. It happens. All I gotta say is I hope y'all made some money off that SPX, this ES, or something that I alerted today. The Q calls. I don't think I alerted a loser today. I did unofficially alert a loser in the longs, in chat, but yeah. Q's back up to 35%. And these SPX calls are at 100%. I'm probably going to zero a hero this last one. Because something tells me we could impulse, especially the way that we're starting to print this 130 candle. Damn, over 100%. Let's go. I was just saying about this 1 minute gap. I think we still just run, but even if it gets into it, it's a tap and run would be nice. If it inverses, I'll get out of the last contract. It still should be in profit probably. I mean, these SPX cons are crazy. It's still at 66%, so we'd probably sell it for like 20% or so. Come on, keep the momentum though, bro. These first two candles at 130, nice. So if it inverses this, I'm out of at least the SPX cons. Because technically we already locked out profit. I had 3 contracts, sold one for 50%, one for basically 100%. And yeah. Yeah, I might hop out of this last one. Yeah. Noise though. Noise. A couple more $100. Yeah, really good for days like today. Honestly, best for days like today because like let me show you. This initial move, just this one candle brought me 60% in like 30 seconds, bro. This one candle brought me 60%. And then up here was 100%. Literally that's a like 5 point move, nothing crazy. I know, yeah. So anything after like 1 or 320-ish EST and you enter SPX, especially on days like this, really pretty much any day. It's not a ton different, at least from what I've seen. Dude, catch a little bit of the movement and you can get paid. You can even scalp it in 20 seconds. I think one of the dudes in the core did. I will do this, is what I'm going to do. I'm going to move my stops to here. So if it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, we're good. We got 25 more minutes, so that is about 23 points in profit if it stops. And yeah, that'll probably be about it for me. Yeah, literally, dude. Yeah, I'm no, but I will say NDX. You do that with NDX, it's even more substantial. I mean, same with the opposite side. Obviously, if you lose, if you goes against you a couple points, even crazier. But yeah, and I'm gonna actually do this too. So we get a move. I don't think we're going all the way up there today. So just moved. So now I got both of them down here. If anyone's still in this long with me. Fuck, I might want to take one more stab. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, am I gonna do it? Am I gonna degen? I might. I might do it. Holy shit. Another like $500 or so. I don't know. I hop back in. Can't lie. I did get stopped out on these ES shorts though. Or longs, I mean. I'm down about 10%, but if we get a good push, dude, even just to the top of this little range, holy shit, we're paid, you know? Let's see, even just that puts us back in profit. I bought 5 of them. So I'm gonna actually, it'll be lagging on stream, so sorry about that, but I'm gonna be in here slowly scaling about. Yeah, there was a much bigger dump before, that's for sure. What's that, 1 and 1.5? Yeah, I'll just keep, basically new lows is my risk. Yeah, I might hop out of these. Down about 20%, but I don't know. Market looks like it's lost a lot of steam. I'll hold for a little bit longer, but yeah. So we technically didn't break new lows. I did say these would be my stops, so this right here. So let's just hold for now. Maybe we get the move we want. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Like barely against me, we're down 20%. But now we're green. Green 5%. I'm still gonna set one limit for 1.5. Alright, so the one at 1.5. We did this inverse of 1 minute. Looks like we might just impulse like crazy. Maybe. Maybe. Let's set one for 2, maybe. Is it stormy outside? Stormy Daniels? Expected rain, dude. I think we're raining, baby. Let's go. I'm gonna be outside the rest of the day. Let's fucking go. Damn, I need to open my window. Oh, hell yeah. Let's go, baby. Yeah, if it inverses this one, I am out of these. Yep, I'm gonna hop out of these. Holy shit. Oh, nice. Okay, hold up. Alrighty, fellers. I think I'm out for the day. We're gonna end it here. Overall decent day though. I made most of my losses back on my take profits, TPT accounts. Um, and yeah, I'm probably gonna swing these Q calls. I like it. I might just take a trim just to de-risk a little bit. It's still at 25%. Um, XOM's up 63%. Hims, we caught a banger today. Overall on the day, we're up 360 bucks on the challenge account. Yeah, not looking too bad. See, let's just round off this stream by checking where the hourly and 4 hourly are gonna basically close for the day. Yeah, it was a pretty beautiful day. Thank you, brother. See, both are showing buying pressure again. Dude, I think we're cleared. I actually might not even sell a single dollar of them. Not at all. We have till next Tuesday, I think, is when we have till. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna hold everything full. Um, yeah, dude, do it. Hell yeah. Yeah, I mean, I am sad that we didn't take a trim at 60%. It just, dude, nothing was really showing a sign of trimming. We inversed this 1 hour, and so I was like, just go, just go. But I have a good feeling about him, so we're gonna let him ride full. But yeah, brother, let's have a great rest of our days. It's raining here, dude, so I'm gonna send me the reason later for sure. But yeah, dude, I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna go outside and enjoy this rain. I hope you'll have a great rest of your day, and we will. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I will be on before market open for sure.